It looks like it's a rainy night in New York,
Journal
Brooklyn.
log, February 23rd, 1984. Carrion City. Another night of rot, simmering under busted streetlights and dark alleyways.
Yeah.
The streets are soaked in junkie sweat and bad decisions. Every corner consumed with vermin and vice.
And vengeance.
Every night, I ask myself the same question. How much farther can we fall? And now, we got some freak carving his way through the city.
I must serve him justice.
Leaves skin like paper trails. The streets whisper of fear and cover-ups. Me? I just whisper. Tuesday. This city's drowning in misery. With everything else for sale, murder was just waiting for its turn. Who am I?
I'm Batman.
The name's Dick. Detective Dick Slater. And I'm the only one keeping the filth from spilling over and
Dick
drowning this city
Slater.
in its own sin.
Slater, come in. Are you talking to yourself in your cruiser again?
Goddamn right.
I don't owe you an explanation. What do you want?
She's looking for you. Get down to the station.
Fine. Tell him I'm on my way.
On my way. Time to set this up. Carrion City Police Department. I'm just one man trying to solve a case any way I can.
Good old Carrion City PD. It's all smell of stale coffee and disappointment. Let's see what the chief wants this time.
I can run. Okay, that's cool. I mean, I can run. That's cool. Alright, let's see what my current objective is. Talk to the chief.
Hello, Luna.
Hey.
I see they still have you babysitting the front desk.
The front desk.
You're late again, Slater. I was starting to think you fell asleep in your cruiser again.
And yet,
Here we are.
here we are.
Some of us don't get to disappear into the night. O'Brien's waiting for you in his office.
Lucky me.
Yeah, well, let me buzz you in. See you around.
Why are you staring at me while I do that? Oh, that's not even the right way. Alright. Police sketch. Ooh. Join the force. I feel like it's nothing but disappointment in here. Nobody's doing anything.
Slater! Sir! Dick! Detective Slater! Sir!
Elmer, you hear any chatter about the stapler?
No, sir. But I was just thinking. If you need backup, or someone to ride along, I've been logging response times, radio codes, crime patterns. I could really help out there.
These streets will chew you up and spit you out. You're a good kid. But your place is here, at the station.
Damn.
I just don't want to push buttons forever.
You don't want to see what I've seen. Just keep at it, kid. And let me know if you hear anything about the stapler.
Roger that, Mr. Slater. Detective.
You want to stay here, kid? You don't want to see murder. Or some people call it red rum. It's nothing but terrible, terrible sights. Who are you? I don't want to talk to everyone. Alright, fuck it, we'll talk to everyone. Who are you?
You're still chasing ghosts, Slater?
Never.
Someone has to.
Yeah, just don't expect me to keep up anymore. I've got a foot in the grave.
It could be worse. Most cops in Carrion City never make it to retirement.
Retirement? With how corrupt this city is? Ugh, I wouldn't be surprised if they kept me on my beat until I kill over in the streets.
A fate we both share, I'm afraid.
It's not too late for you, dick. But me? Well, I'm getting too old for this shit.
Alright. Too old, but you're never too old to work.
Well, look who crawled out of his trench coat. You miss me, Slater?
Not even a little.
Shame. I've got a real thing for men who look like they got nothing left to lose.
Then aim lower.
Your loss. Plenty on me at an air station. Speaking of, I saw a strapping young man headed to the chief's office.
I'm sure you'll get your claws into him sooner or later.
Hopefully sooner than later. If you talk to him, put in a good word for me, yeah?
I'm not your wingman. Get help, Roxy.
Roxy, fucking for the whole station, I guess. Damn. Who are you? Damn, I look old as hell.
Well, I'll be damned. Nice of you to finally show up, Slater.
If you wanted punctual, you should have hired a watch. Who's the kid? He looks too clean for this city.
That's Detective Robbie Knox. Transfer from Rotwood.
Detective Slater, it's an honor. I've read every report you ever wrote. Your work on the Full Mooner Gooner case back in 79
79?
was legendary.
Legendary. I don't trust you, kid.
Yeah. City was edging on total collapse back then. But I put down that freak. For good.
You saved the city.
Saved? I just delayed the inevitable. Now we've got a new animal stalking these streets.
Yeah.
Which is why you're gonna need help. The stapler's escalating, and you're not chasing him alone.
Excuse me?
Knox is your new partner.
You shut your damn mouth.
What? You gotta be kidding me, O'Brien. You know I work alone. I can't be wasting time babysitting some new transfer. O'Brien?
If you could give me a minute, gentlemen. Duty calls.
This guy. What? I still see a little bit of donut there.
That's better. Robbie, why don't you wait by Slater's cruiser? I need to talk to him alone.
Roger that, Chief.
I don't trust this Robbie.
Listen, Dick. The mayor's so far down my throat about the stapler that I feel like I'm in a Diesel Cox film.
You're killing me, O'Brien.
You don't get a vote on this. He's your new partner. Now get out there and catch me a killer. That's an order.
Damn it. I can't defend the city with a baby. I can't be babysitting everyone and their mother. But here I am, defending another person. Doing and carrying somebody on my back as always. Whatever. I'll make do with this. Maybe an extra head will help. I don't know. I'd rather not bother.
Detective Slater,
Rule 1. You don't try and impress me.
Okay.
Rule 2. If things go bad, you stay behind me.
Got it.
Break either rule, I leave you at the curb.
Understood.
Dusting these dudes like nothing. The quick fix. Hot fresh waiters inside. Ooh. That sounds fire. Who doesn't want some glizzies?
Another beautiful night in Carrion City. I get to spend it stuffing wieners into buns and regretting my life choices. But I don't regret you, baby. My jank wagon deserves nothing but the best. Once I have you fully paid off, I can quit this crappy job and leave this city in my dust. I'll be counting the days until then. Better head inside and start my shift.
Oh, so I'm playing this guy now? Gosh. I just... Look at this amazing Mustang I stole from this fucking 30-year-old at Facebook Marketplace. I think it's time to hit my shift. Get this over with so I can finish paying that old guy down. Who's calling? What?
Get your fix at the Quick Fix. This is Hexy. How can I help you? Oh, hey boss. Sorry for being a few minutes late. I got stuck in traffic. What? Eric didn't bring in the meat delivery? That means it's been sitting out in the rain all day. It's probably rotten by now.
God damn it. I should have known.
Are you calling me on the shitter again? Disgusting!
Of course he does.
All right, calm down. I'll grab the meat from the back and make some fresh wieners. Just please stop calling me when you're in the middle of taking a crap.
Oh no, I'm hanging up. Jeez, dude, we're not that close. I should report this to HR. Where are the wieners at? Ooh.
Did this place ever actually fix anything? Ah, jeez. You
scared the crap out of me,
man. What? Fix? I think you missed the joke, dude.
Oh, I love jokes. Especially the ones with a killer punchline.
Cool. Great talk. You need something, or...
My. I do have an appetite.
Buddy, if you're talking about the hot dogs, they aren't ready yet. Come back in 20 minutes.
The best meals are worth waiting for.
Okay, dude. Why'd you look
Just
back?
another night with another creep. I hate this city.
Can't believe I'm stuck here until I pay off my car. Wish I could get another job somewhere else. Hold up. Get as many wieners as I can. A little gruesome, but it is just hot dog meat. Hey, youngster, let me get a nice long one and make it snappy. How do I drop this?
Wiener is ready. Wiener is ready. Wiener.
Alright, bro, we get it. Wiener's ready. A toasted bun? You want a toasted bun? You need an uncooked wiener. Oh, my fault. Here you go, sir. I don't have a finished hot dog. What do you mean? I'm sorry, sir. Please. I just can't. I just clocked in. I'm stressed out. Some creep came in earlier. Yeah, I know, right? Nothing new. I know, but this guy looked weirder than normal. He was like pale. It was crazy. Yeah. Why is this so far away? I'm so sorry, sir. It's my first day. I just need to. I'm by myself. Work is paying me like $2 an hour. It really ain't worth it, honestly. But you know, it pays the bills. You know, it pays the bills, and it's just like, I don't know. It's very confusing at times. You know, they didn't really train me. I just took a little video orientation, but let's be honest, nobody watches those. So. Yeah. What the? Oh, okay. My fault. I'm sorry, sir. Then mustard, ketchup, relish, the works. What is the works? Is it this? Hot dog container. Here you go, sir. Nice. What the? Oh! Oh, nah.
What the fuck? No!
You okay there? I have a feeling you didn't need a hot dog tonight. There's a all-inclusive bar across the street. Jeez. Whatever. Oh, we got another one. Hello, ma'am. Well, can I interest you in our juicy long wieners? Hi. Oh. Okay. Yeah. I mean, whatever you say, man. I don't know about the biggest, but I heard we're good. Yeah. You know, are you related to the sir that just left the store? No? You have a resemblance. Here you go. Please don't eat it here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, the noises.
Oh! Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
Have a good one. Jeez. I really gotta get my money up and not my funny up. That's what I get. This is exactly what I deserve. Jesus. Oh my gosh. Can't even turn on the fan, it's broken. Oh my gosh, please don't tell me it's the creep from earlier. Hi, sir. Hey, hi, welcome back. I saw you earlier.
Hello again. Are you the proprietor of this fine establishment? Oh, crap. You again? Proprietor? Dude, I don't know what that means. I just work here. Did you come in to get one of those famous quick fix wieners? Well, I do love a nice piece of flesh, but I'm in the mood for something a little more unique.
Yeah?
Well, if you aren't here for a wiener, what do you want? It seems I'm a little low on supplies. Do you happen to carry any staples?
Does it look like we carry any staples?
Why do you need staples this late at night? Oh, you could say I'm working on a little art project. Whatever, man. It's none of my business. I think we have some on the back shelf over there by the toilet. Ah, perfect. Thank you. I'll be seeing you again real soon.
Weaver is ready. Weaver is...
Yeah. Just in case somebody wants to get one. Why is this thick, long hot dog? That's crazy work. Hi, ma'am. Welcome. How are you, how can I help you today? Oh, you want a hot dog? Here you go. Sorry, I accidentally skipped your dialogue. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Jeez, lady. Oh my.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
What is wrong with you people? Have a good one. Jeez, what is wrong with these? What's in these hot dogs? Oh my gosh. Where did that one guy go? Where did he go? I really need to get another job. I should have just done Uber Eats or something. Oh, we got another guy coming in. Hi, sir. Welcome in. Welcome to the Quick Fix, where fix is quick. Let me guess, you're here for a wiener? Give me a meaty, juicy one. Oh,
What do you mean by that?
okay. Sir, I'm gonna need you to ask in a different manner 21 Savage. Because, you know, that could really be interpreted the wrong way. And, you know, I really don't want to kick you out the store. So next time, you know, choose your words wisely. Don't worry, I'm making it. You gotta let it cook. You don't want no frozen You don't want nothing frozen. That'll get you sick. Yeah. Here you go. Why are you going? Oh my gosh. Why are you going all the way back? Oh my.
Do me a favor, please.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Have a good one. Fucking jeez. 22 Savage. Get out of here, man. Jeez, man. What's wrong with these people? It's like nobody's normal in this freaking city. Jeez. Whatever. Oh my god, it's another lady now. Great. Just what I need. More people for more glazes. Hi, welcome in to the quick fix where your fix is quick. Where'd you go? Let me know if you need anything. Oh, I think she bought some. Hi, ma'am. Is it just this?
Hey,
like
Hexy.
Oh.
Hey, a shrimp queen.
Shrimp queen?
It's comfort food. Don't judge me.
No judgment. Better than these wieners I'm selling. You don't want to know what's in them.
You should see some of the stuff I've scraped off the floor at Gutter's End.
We are both living the dream, eh? You on your break?
One day we'll get out of this dump. Yeah, I gotta get back soon. How much I owe ya?
Don't worry about it. This one's on me. I'm feeling a little shrimp-athetic tonight.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
Nah, bro. You sold that.
Oh, you should be arrested for that one. Thanks, Hexy. I'll see you later.
Have a good shift, Blair.
Dude, you gotta work on your wrist, twin. Oh, nah. Hold on. Hold on now. Fuck. Hi. Did you find your staplers? Okay. Of course not. This guy's fucking weird. I might call the cops. Where's the phone on?
Weezer is ready.
Ooh!
Shit, dude!
What the hell's your problem?
It seems you're all out of staples.
Yeah, dude, that's too bad, dude.
I'm getting pretty sick of your shit. I think you better leave before I make you.
Oh, that might be fun. I did see something I liked very much, but it's no longer here.
What?
I can see this establishment doesn't employ the brightest. But anyways, I'll be on my way, my tattooed friend.
Yeah. Thanks for shopping at the Quick Fix, I guess, or whatever.
By the way, you might want to check out the restroom. The toilet is quite clogged.
Alright, dude. Get out of here. Get out of here. I don't want your ass. If you're not gonna buy nothing, get out of here before I call the cops. Wait till he leaves.
Great. Now I need to fix the toilet. Just what I needed.
Let's see what's in here.
Great! That weirdo clogged the shitter! Just what I needed. I'd better grab the plunger.
Jeez, dude. Just my luck. I gotta deal with actual shit. Oh, great. Damn, this shit ain't going nowhere. Literally. I'm pulling full force. And I still can't get it in.
This stupid thing isn't working.
Oh no. What is that noise?
What the? What is that sound?
Oh! Did I just get pooped on? That's crazy. How did I die by getting pooped on? "24-hour lanes available." How good is business for you to be? Oh, I'm the shorty now.
Break's pretty much over. I better head inside and talk to Lucas.
What you looking at, twin? Lucas, get your ass up, man. Damn, dude. How'd I get on? Don't need to go behind the counter yet. Lucas. Wake up, Lucas.
Oh, look at that. Lucas fell asleep at the register again. Perfect opportunity. Lucas!
Jeez, Blair, what the hell?
That's what you get for sleeping on company time.
I wasn't sleeping. I was just resting my eyes.
You were literally snoring. I could hear you from the front door.
God, who cares? Anyway, we haven't had a customer in hours. This place is dead. I don't know how it stays in business.
I think the owner's using it to launder money.
Honestly, wouldn't shock me. Anyway, I'm about to clock out.
Cool. Let me nuke this cup of nudies, and then you can go pass out somewhere else.
Ooh, look at that. That's fire. Oh, this man didn't even finish the glizzy. It was too big for him. Badoots.
I'll come
No
back
water
for this
is
later.
crazy.
I should go tell Lucas he can go.
Lucas-san. You're good to go, Lucas-san.
All right, Lucas, you can get out of here.
Sweet. Thanks, Blair. There are a few things I didn't get a chance to do.
Oh, what? Can't believe I'm getting roped into doing your jobs. What needs to be done?
We'll call it even for scaring me. One of the ball feeders is jammed with a ball. Can you get it loose? After that, there are a few balls that need polishing and some shoes that need to be deodorized.
You couldn't even polish the balls? It's like the easiest thing to do here.
Listen, Blair, the only balls I'm polishing tonight are mine.
This guy, you can look at a smirk in his face when he said that. Oh my gosh.
Wow, Lucas. Just wow.
Catch you later, Blair.
This guy, I hate this guy. Whatever, dude. Which one is it? Why is this one? No? Yeah. I wonder why it's broken. Damn. Well, at least nobody was there.
Holy crap. I'm glad I wasn't standing in front of the feeder. I'd better head behind the counter and polish those balls.
Great, okay. Hello, sir. You want to get a lane?
Hello there. Welcome to Gutter's End.
Well, hello! What a lovely little establishment this is, with an adorable little creature running it.
Creature? Do you want to purchase a lane, or am I gonna have to call the police?
I am here to purchase an experience.
Right. Well, it's $5 a game per lane.
So direct! I like that. Sharp, clean, like a fresh cut.
Thanks, I think.
Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt like you were wearing a costume you just can't take off?
No.
You mean like my work uniform?
Sure, let's call it that.
I don't get paid to answer weird questions. Either buy a lane or get out.
No need to be a bully, darling. I'll take lane 6. Thank you.
And you're not gonna pay? Where's the cash? Oh my god.
Total creep.
Great. Okay, these are... Sir, do I need to call the cops? Because you should not be this close. Why are you... You cannot be doing that. This is an invasion of my privacy. I'm calling the cops. Where's the cop? Where's the phone? Where's the phone at? Matter of fact... Great. Just what I need. Whatever, dude.
Alright, time to clean the stinky shoes.
Where did bro go? Where did bro go? Where did bro go? Great. Just what I fucking... Well, hey, dude.
Sometimes I just love these smelly shoes.
Stop. What do you mean by that?
I'm sorry, what did she say? Oh my gosh, I hate this guy. This dude's got some stinky ass feet, man. People would put some damn wash their feet, change their socks, wash their freaking shoes. We wouldn't be having this problem. It's only that one guy that smells like pits in the freaking anywhere.
That should do it.
I'm right here at the register, twin. Where'd he go?
Where did that weirdo go? He didn't even do any bowling. Whatever. Now that he's gone, I can go grab my cup of nudies real fast.
I saw him over there. Yeah, I'm about to be a murder victim, on God.
I'll eat this back at the register.
What? What's going on? Oh no.
What happened?
Cup noodles?
You're awake. You gotta listen to me.
Mr. Shrimp, you're supposed to be in my belly.
We don't have time for this, Blair. He'll be back any second.
What are you talking about, Mr. Shrimp?
Blair, I can see him. You gotta get up.
What a silly dream. I can't even feel my body, Mr. Shrimp.
You're doomed, Blair. You hear me? Doomed.
Ooh.
Well, look who's awake. Who are you talking to?
Mr. Shrimp, call 911.
Mr. Shrimp. I see you're suffering the side effects from my little serum. Hallucinations and paralysis, among other things.
That's why I can't move.
Yes, well, you don't have to worry much longer, my dear. It'll all be over soon.
What? What do you mean?
Oh no.
I require that beautiful skin of yours, my dear. I can't have you screaming and crying while I swim it from your body. I am afraid it's the end of the line for you.
What? Don't do it.
Please, don't.
No! I shouldn't have fixed that damn thing. Damn. This is a really good demo. I can't wait for this game to come out. I don't know about you guys, but do you think, should I continue playing this game when this game releases? Or should we just leave it there? But overall, this is a pretty solid game. I feel like it's going to have a good story. I don't know. I feel like this might be a solid indie game. I'm excited to see how the detectives find this guy. But I mean, don't forget to like and subscribe. We were 2 victims and the detective. So we'll see what happens. Anyways, I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.